And Monday, 12th of February. Got more sprouts popped up. That's my okra right there. Can't read my writing. Oh, this is the red bell pepper right here. It ain't doing diddly yet. Stuff's coming up. It's taking its time. Got a few of the pods that didn't germinate. I'll replant. I don't know why my bell pepper didn't come up. Got a cold front blowing in. We're going to get sub-freezing temperatures here in the next few days. Onion still onioning. Got a few that wilted and fell over. Something ate that one. Let's stick it back in the dirt and see what it does. I got some kind of critter running around here. Haven't figured it out yet. But we got a lot of rain. Let's go check the bucket. See what it got. Something was munching on my broccoli. I gotta get a camera set up down here. At least figure out what it is, and then do something. Live trap. I'm not going to do any kind of trap to kill anything. Not that cruel, unless it's a hog. They are donked. First time I see them. Lots of little doves. Why is my bird bath empty? Hope I ain't got a leak. I need to fill the feeders up while I'm here. Don't see them on the ground. They don't like that, by the way. And water bucket full. Solid 3¼ inches. Last 2 days.